fridge is cool. Dang, it's hot. I'm gonna need a friend to help me move this fridge. Nolan's home. Let's go to Nolan's.
What up? The people Killed and I, we were running from the cops, yeah, suicide. With a heat hopped out, yeah, do or die. This is all for the cloud, yeah, don't you cry. This is what life's all about. Damn, I can't see these faces all over my mind. I'm going crazy, drinking after.
Yeah.
Let's go get some tacos, bro. All the neighbors definitely think I'm a crackhead now.
Fridge.
Taco game?
Fridge. Yeah.
Fridge?
Confused. This is how the Guatemalans do it.
And this is well, close.
Close.
The Mexicans, they do it best, man. They really know how to get it done.
This man had me cut an onion because he didn't know how. But
Yep.
you know, it's all right. It's all right.
I'm actually proud of Mike. He didn't start crying.
I didn't cry when cutting the onions.
Perfect. Big cilantro guy.
Taco.
I need to line that up right up like that. Oh, it's like sex, right?
I've never had sex. So we're gonna try a taco out here. I really have to.
Damn, made by yours truly. You know what I mean? You can be honest if it sucks.
Tastes like a taco.
Tastes like a taco? What does it taste like?
It's good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Alrighty, buddy. The moment that I start eating, dude, is the moment that I'm getting huge. I'm telling you. I haven't eaten anything in the past month.
Fridge. Bro, you okay? Are you okay?
Fridge. Mike's empty ass room.
Yeah, taking the room,
This
taking the vibes.
is the tapestry that he was putting on. A single, by the way.
Yeah, so this is my college room. It's move out time. You know, I know I've been talking. Oh, I did this by accident, ripping off. I had a little towel thing here, and whatever.
Yeah, it's bad. Yeah, lots of repairs that need to be done.
So yeah, just take in kind of the vibe of the room. You want a Pop-Tart or something, Nolan?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about all that. Oh.
Hey, you're back. Yo.
Michael's,
Yeah. When are you going home?
Michael's friends going on.
I want to give you a little bit of a tour of this room and kind of show you the vibes that. So yeah, I guess we can start with the bathroom. You know,
Yeah, this must have been a really.
So this is where I take a piss. Yeah, it honestly doesn't it look kind of like a hospital bathroom?
Yeah, so
like,
I just don't understand how you would really get clean in this. You know what I mean? I just feel like there's so much like.
Yeah, I don't really know, man.
You know what I mean?
I need to put that. I honestly haven't even. I replaced the shower thing because that thing was absolutely disgusting.
We need
I just threw it in the corner.
to demand better.
I kind of want to check. No, it's not that. Oh my, that's disgusting. I'll clean that up. It's
That's
just
what
like,
I'm saying, dude.
It's just like
with
residue
this,
and
it's like how does the residual lights? Yeah.
residual lights. What idiot designed this building where there's just 0 windows?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah.
Another big issue is, so of course there's no like the only ventilation we have is that tiny little.
Also, look at this guy.
Is that tiny little vent up there? So if you come here, zoom in. This is all mold. Like that is just black mold.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's real bad.
Yeah, look,
Yeah,
all
and I
the
don't know if
walls,
you're
dude.
seeing this up here, but like this is, they need definitely some repairs. There's rust on here, and then there's look rust right
There's
here.
mold.
Black mold, hazard.
And yeah, so we got my tapestry right here, or tapestry, however you call it. We got the Minecraft poster, of course. That's a classic. That is a classic. Closet. I actually had 2 closets originally, and I gave one to Bryson because he cuts hair, so I gave him that one.
Hell yeah.
And then if we come to the corner, this was the gaming corner. We got my TV in the corner. We got the Bob Ross, of course. We got Kanye. We got the Pats, of course. We had the speakers bumping. Look, we have a little shrine over here. We have kind of a junk drawer.
What do we do with that, bro? What do we do with that? Give it to me.
No,
I'm not gonna break it. I'm not gonna break it, but I don't know what to do with it.
I think just put it in storage, or something like that. Or
You know what I did, bro? You want to know what I did?
what?
I had all these letters that Charlotte wrote me, plus ping pong balls that she put "I love you" on and everything. I
Yep.
left it in my closet at my old place.
Yeah, I think it's just best to kind of just leave it like in
Should we
a
leave it
storage.
here? No, let's
No,
leave it.
not
We
leave it
should
here.
leave it here, bro.
That's really weird.
Why?
Bro, because then the next person's gonna come in, they're gonna see a picture of me, and like,
You know, funny that would be, bro. Nah, they.
if it's just like, no, dude, no, if it's just like sitting up in the bed, like propped
Oh
up.
yeah, you should, yeah. Put it in here, or like put it underneath, and somebody's gonna be like, "No way, this kid." Oh my god! Look, this is Mike's yoga mat. This is where he was like, getting it down and breaking it down for everybody.
Yep.
Wow. You know what I mean?
So this is my this is my Gundam, which Chance calls the condom. He messed up, and we got a little purple shroom, gold shroom, and red shroom, and then the tree I painted.
Yep, DMT till I fade away.
Yep, and then we have Jesus, of course, because I love God.
We already know.
Naruto, and this is kind of this is a dope corner right here. Like I put that. I have to show you the whole vibe.
Oh wow.
You turn on these, turn off the lights, hit the lights behind you. Yes, sir.
This is how you serenade the girls, you know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
Yep.
I never had a female step in this room.
Yep.
Mike thinks that they're gonna charge him for the wall.
Look, there's like so much paint chips. So I'm using the hairdryer to try to melt the glue. Yes, it's probably like 90 degrees in here. This is making it a lot worse, but...
Oh yeah.
Where's the knife?
Oh yeah. He's also got a knife on him as well. It's a butter knife that he got from home.
What's the Gar lyric?
And
What's the Gar lyric about the knife?
put mud in my arm when I had got a knife and made a slit.
Hey man, shout out my man Mike, man. That's all I gotta say.
Bless. Thanks, brother.
That's all he's got to say, man.
Love. Fridge. Yeah, fridge. Yep, fridge. Yep, fridge.
You got it?
Fridge. Fridge. Oh, fridge.
Oh, fridge.
Fridge.
Oh, collision.
Love,
Fridge.
I love,
Fridge.
I love.
Fridge. Ooh, fridge.